Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SelfKey. For the past several months in my different videos, I've been telling you that SelfKey has formed a very big falling wedge pattern, and this is one of those videos. And I've been telling you that once SelfKey will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, then it can be very big move. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then finally it has broken out this wedge and rallied very well. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SelfKey that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for SelfKey that I shared 2 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that SelfKey formed with US dollar pair. And you can see when I shared this idea at that time, it was completing this final leg of the cipher pattern on the 2 hour time frame chart. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to move more down for the completion of this leg of the cipher pattern. Then we can expect the next price reversal from here. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down as per the Fibonacci sequence of the cipher. Then it pumped very well. By the way, this was more than 15% pump on this 2 hour time frame chart. Now, let me to take you here on the weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line has recently broken out. In the month of January, it has broken out the resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern. You can see for the past several months, since November 2021, it was moving inside this wedge, and after several attempts, it was not able to break out the resistance of this wedge, and finally we have broken it out here. And now if I place this measurement tool from this low of December 2022 up till this current high, then so far it has rallied more than 380%. And now it is reached a very strong and long-term resistance of 1.3 cents. And by the way, here we have a very strong and long-term support at point $0055. That was previously working as a support here, support. And for the past several months, it was working as a resistance. Therefore, after this breakout, it can work as a very strong and long-term support for the price line. Now we need to watch out for the breakout from this resistance of 1.3 cents that has been breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here as well. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then this can be a decisive move, even though it's a quite small time frame on the 4 hour time frame chart. Here we have this formation of a symmetrical triangle. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down this triangle, then in case of breaking down, at the target or move to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $0.0076. But in my point of view, in case of breaking down this triangle, there will be a probability that it may drop even more down at $0.0055 to test this key support, the long-term support. And for example, if we will have a breakout from the symmetrical triangle, then the move to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at 1.58 cents. And in that situation, you can see we can also break out this long-term resistance of 1.3 cents as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at 2.6 cents to 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.